Yo! Rewind! Alright guys, we got our remote control. If you guys don't remember, we did the pause challenge. Does it tickle? Does it tickle? Oh, you're ticklish. Unpause. Pause! You're back. It was interesting.
Yo, let me see that.
Yeah, look at this.
Yo.
This remote control has magic. Now, we don't only pause people, we're gonna turn them off. We're gonna change their channels. We're gonna up their volume. We're even gonna make them go reverse. Fast forward.
All right, yo, just me and you?
What?
We got this? We're gonna
do it.
We're gonna do it to everybody.
We're gonna do it. Yeah.
What about me?
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay, we'll pause.
Yo, not again. Are you kidding me? Yo, unpause me. Are you for real?
Mute. I just turn them off.
Turn them off. Turn them off.
Off. We got all these options. It's totally different than last time. I'm excited. Cenna, are you excited? Are you excited?
I don't know if you can have this much power. I don't know if this is good.
There's even a Netflix option. I don't know what that's gonna look like.
Ooh.
Look at these guys. Hey guys.
Hey, it's over. I'm done. Oh! Yo, chill.
Oh hey.
Hi.
Who are you talking to?
No, I'm just on Instagram.
Hi. What?
What? No! Not this bullshit again! Don't do it! No! Hell no! No vas a hacer eso otra vez! No! No quiero hacer eso! ¿Qué estás haciendo? No, no! I don't want to do this again! What the f***? Stop! Wait, what? Did I just start speaking Spanish?
Ooh, whoa, check this out. Ooh. Should I do it? Should I do it?
Do it.
Jump! What the f***?
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
No!
Yo, Tol.
What?
Do you not know what I have here? Yes!
They're not
remote control. The remote control challenge on free time.
What?
What? Yo, I can't zoom in on Anthony. We're gonna give him some subtitles. I can't see. Am I up?
Yo, move! Dog! Yo, chill!
Yo, I'm going in.
Oh, you fell off! Oh, back!
You know I wouldn't beat you.
Back!
So far we did off, mute, jump. Guys, we're gonna do fast forward. Who should do it? Who
I
should
think
do it?
Anthony should.
Anthony?
Anthony definitely.
Oh yeah. You know, good exercise. I can help you out.
Yo,
I can help you out. We're gonna do fast forward. One speed. Fast forward. Yo,
Hey, slow him down. Yo,
okay, pause.
yo!
Alright, we're gonna do 8x fast forward speed. Boom, boom,
GG.
boom. No! Anthony, what are you doing? Are you doing a fast? He's doing the fastest juice ever. You're done? Already?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, it smells, bro.
For real? I forgot about Nick. On. It's alive! Yeah, it's remote.
Wait, you bought it on like Amazon, huh?
Pause! The jump option was really good. Jump!
Why am I jumping? He's using his hands to help him jump.
Fast forward! Fast forward!
Fast.
You can't go any faster! This is the faster you go. There you go! There you go! Fast forward! Fast forward!
I'm jumping, you can't see it.
This man thinks he's a flash.
Fast forward! Fast forward! Fast forward! Fast forward! Fast forward! Okay. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Yo. Turn off. Yo.
Jesus, man.
Hey.
Still got cheese on.
You gotta let him rest. He's been doing a lot of fast forward. He's not used to it. He doesn't get exercise, so it's a bad spot. Look at him.
He has cheese all over his eyebrows.
I'll help you. I know you're off right now and you can't do anything. Let me wipe that off. Yeah.
Alright, let it be.
Hey, bro.
Hey, man.
How are you?
Good,
What you sipping on?
Some tea, dude.
Oh, remember the pause challenge?
You better not do it.
What would happen?
Oh, you better not do it. You better no.
Oh, I got a pause button right here.
Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
Pause. You fucking piece of shit. Why the f did you do this shit to me, you motherfucker? What the f? You mute. I like it.
Wow. This is so much better. He's paused and muted. Look at him.
So much more quieter. I'll take this.
Can I?
This is great.
You can't do anything. It's crazy. Jump.
Why is he jumping too? Why are you jumping, Cole?
Fast forward. Fast forward. You're gonna pass out. So get it. Pause. Ooh. We did the channel change with Michael, and he just started speaking Spanish. What happens when you do it with him? Hey, buddy. Ready? I can't wait to change the channel. 3, 2, 1. Channel change. Oh! What the heck? Let's don't touch him. Don't touch him. Is that like buttons?
What? That's so weird.
That's like the beard part. I'm gonna give him a mustache.
Dude, why does this look like
Yo,
a cat?
I wish I could hear him.
Yo, this looks like a cat.
I kind of want to hear you. On you.
What the fuck, Tall? You
Volume
piece
down.
of shit.
Volume down. Volume down. Volume down.
You get the fuck off of me.
Mute. All right, we'll leave him there.
That looks like Jason.
I know, right? Isn't it crazy?
Yes, you cunts.
You can't move.
Yo, get away from me.
If he keeps misbehaving, should I turn him off?
Yo, what are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Power off. I'm scared. And what am I supposed to do? Fall on the floor?
Yes. Everyone take his Gucci.
Wait, how's he alive? Look, if you look really, really close.
The tiger's
Keep going, keep going. Fast forward. Fast forward. Oh, it worked. Oh, he's sick. Fast forward. Pause. Remember Netflix and chill? Yeah. There's actually a Netflix button. And look at these guys. I think they'd be perfect. They'd be a perfect candidate. 3, 2,
Stop.
1. Netflix and chill. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
50 Shades of Grey, I like this. Give me
Where's the handcuffs? Give me the handcuffs.
Yo.
Where's the popcorn? Where's the popcorn?
Oh, you.
Mute.
Where's the handcuffs?
Wow, this is actually more entertaining than most of the stuff on.
I want more emotion.
More emotion. You got
Emotion. Emotion. What the fuck? Trying to give him CPR. He's like, oh my god.
You need a keys. Come on, dog.
Michael, get the fuck out of the way.
Guys, this is a dramatic scene where Anthony realizes he loves Jason and wants to dominate Jason.
Dominate you, big boy.
They keep struggling and struggling until they realize
Struggling with
they both love each other.
I have handcuffs on you.
Give me another one for the feet.
No.
Oh, wow, look at this. Look at them go.
Yo, turn off.
Michael, let me see. Michael, let me see. Oh my gosh, this is so
Anthony, come here.
This is so cool.
All right, guys. Wait. Guys, we're gonna hit this Netflix button. It's gonna be a romantic scene from a love.
What?
Anthony, are you ready? Netflix, go! Change channels.
What the fuck?
I wonder what happens if I change channels for a second time. Change it. Change it. Channel change. Someone get the duct tape.
Alright guys, so Jojo's over there. He's been talking to a girl non-stop for the last week, 7 days. Every time we see him, he's talking to her, FaceTiming her, Snapchatting her. Look, he's not even hanging with the friends. Look at the friends. And look at Jojo. We gotta end this right now. Come here.
This girl that I've been talking to for like 3 months. Pause. Wait, what? What? Wait, yo. I gotta text this girl.
Who's that?
Oh, that's this girl that I've been. Yo! Yo! Yo!
Fuck, he's punching.
Where's my phone?
Can't believe I just did that.
It's
Waterproof!
Water resistant.
Dude. Pause! Yo, come on. This time I think we gotta turn off. Ready?
Yo! Holy.
this shit just shattered, bro.
No! Everybody a new phone.
That's what I think about your girl.
I know that's what happened.
I need a new phone to text this girl.
Ow.
Can't say nothing.
Yo, chill.
Oh, landing on your head. Yo, now you're gonna get all this shit on.
Yo, get it.
Yo, guys.
Try not to say wow. Let's frickin' do it. Dude, that's sick. Okay, how did he even do that? What the heck? Okay, that's frickin' crazy, dude. What the heck? Dude, what? Oh, hey, what's up?
Hi.
I'm filming.
Nice.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What?
Trying not to say wow challenge?
Yeah, I was doing a loud
I figured.
What are you trying to say?
Not wow. Yeah, just keep going. It's no problem. No problem.
Okay, that was actually insane. That's so satisfying.
Fast forward.
Dude, that's freaking dope. Oh my god, that's amazing.
4x.
So good.
8x. I think we overloaded him. Oh! Are you okay?
What happened?
I just fast forwarded you. Fast forward.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? What is even going
fast
on?
forward.
What's going? What are you doing?
I'm not doing it.
Wait, I was just filming. What are you doing? What?
Fast forward.
Go!
Here, turn off. Let's leave him there.
Yeah.
Oh wait, he's not gonna finish his trying to say wow. Hey,
It's fine.
It's fine.
Let's go.
Ooh, this is interesting. What does this do? Hey guys, so I'm in the car with D. I think this remote hasn't been used for a while. Hi D.
It's good, G. How's it going?
How's it going?
I just asked you how's it going.
How's it going? Sorry, I'm a little nervous right now.
Why?
Because I'm gonna do something really stupid. Well wait, what if I just click reverse?
Bro.
Yo.
Bro.
Yo.
Yo.
Ah! Wait.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay. Pause.
Oh my god.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that was probably really stupid.
Yeah,
I think we're in trouble.
There's neighbors.
Alright guys, there you have it. Remote control challenge. If you have any other challenges you guys want us to do, put it down in the comments below.
That was terrible.
Put it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget, get your timeless merch at timelessbrand.com. Yeah! Motherfucker! Subscribe to the channel.
Wow.
Like the video.
Incredible.
50,000 likes, we'll do a part 2. Cause what?
Hey, make sure to post notifications. Post notifications.
Wait, what happens if I?
No, don't do it.
No. What if I press reset? Peace!